Hi, I'm Doug. We received many questions regarding the process of testing devices on our small analog line of panels. During this video, we will show you the steps needed to place the panel into walk test mode. The walk test feature is used to test individual zones or devices without having to create an actual alarm condition. This will eliminate unwanted evacuations or interruptions for your building occupants while allowing you to test your fire alarm system. You can conduct a walk test in silent or audible mode. In silent walk test mode, the panel NACs will not operate. When you select audible walk test mode, only the notification appliance circuits on the panel motherboard will activate. Any intelligent modules configured as audible or visible device types that are connected to your SLC loop will not activate during the audible walk test mode. When the panel is configured for zones, the zones should be placed in walk test one at a time. This will allow the balance of your system to remain in service. When a device is activated for testing, it will remain active throughout your test and does not restore until the walk test is ended. When the walk test is ended, all of your tested devices will restore. When starting a walk test, press the menu button on the panel, select Test, choose Silent or Audible Walk Test mode, enter your level 1 password, select either device or zone. If you're choosing zone, you will enter the zone number of the zone you wish to place into walk test mode. Choose Start to initiate the walk test. At this point, you can select the Cancel button to return to the previous menu, or you can press the menu key, which will exit menu mode completely. At this point, you'll notice the test LED will either flash if you've chosen silent walk test mode, or the test LED will be solid if you've chosen audible walk test mode. On the panel LCD, walk test is displayed. However, this message will be replaced with the device activation message during the period the device is activated while in walk test mode. The panel is going to enter a trouble state due to the fact that the panel is now in an abnormal state. There's no fire protection for any zone which is currently in walk test mode. However, if an unselected zone were to go into alarm or trouble, all programmed outputs will operate as intended. When you select audible walk test mode, the panel NACs will either sound a 4-second pulse or a temporal 333 pattern, depending upon the audible device type you've selected for those panel NACs. All device activations will be latched until the walk test is ended or the panel has been reset. When the walk test is ended, it will take approximately 8 seconds for the devices to restore. If the device being tested is in a zone and does not restore, the zone will not restore. Should this happen, you will need to investigate to determine why. This could be due to a switch on a pull station not being reset, or you may find that you have some residual test smoke left over in one of your smoke chambers, which will need to just be blown out with some compressed air. Once all of your devices that have been tested are restored, you can then end the walk test. To end the walk test, press the menu button on the panel, select Test, choose either silent or audible walk test mode, select either devices or zone. Again, if you've chosen zone, enter the zone number of the zone you wish to end the walk test mode on. Select End to turn off the walk test. All of the active devices for that test are now restored. Press cancel to return to the previous menu, or press the menu button to exit menu mode completely. After you've ended the walk test, a report can be generated to view each device or zone that was tested. To see activation and restoration of all walk test events, the panel must be reset prior to ending the walk test. The walk test report may be printed if you have a printer connected to the panel with an SA232 card, or you can save the report and export it to your desktop to view it later. This wraps up our how to use the walk test video. If you'd like more information, please visit kidde-fire.com or select the link below where you'll return to our YouTube channel where you can view some additional product videos.